Cooper Marcher here. Meet Dr. Payo, the horse comforting cancer patients in Calais. At the Palliative Care Center in Peyo and his trainer Hassan arrive at the adult wards after visiting the children at the Calais hospital. Peyo and his owner once competed in dressage events. Now they spend their time doing rounds in a French hospital, often staying with sick people until the very end. Marion, 24, who has metastatic cancer, cuddles her 7-year-old son Ethan as Peyo nuzzles them both. With Peyo, we try to recreate life at the end of life, to fight and to create an energy to accompany families and caregivers, says his trainer. Hassan and Peyo work with an organization devoted to therapy and with scientists who are studying Peyo's ability to reduce patients' anxiety and comfort people in pain. At the hospital, Peyo tells his trainer which room he wants to enter next by stopping or raising his leg. Peyo is 15 years old and seems to be able to detect when humans have cancers and tumors. He stayed nearly 2 hours watching over a dying woman. I accompany him, but I let him do what he wants. He's the one who decides, says Hassan. What really pushed scientists to take an interest in him and open the health establishment doors to us was this ability to greatly reduce the patient's dosage of hard drugs and thus allow a more peaceful departure. Peyo's nickname, given by the medical team, is Dr. Peyo, says the trainer. For a long time, the pair were known for taking part in equestrian shows, but Peyo was constantly looking for human contact. After shows, he would pick out people in the crowd, approach them, and choose to stay next to them. Hassan began to suspect Peyo was choosing people who were weakened physically or psychologically. After 4 years of investigation, veterinary specialists believe Peyo's brain functions in a unique way. In Calais Hospital, Marion pets Peyo while the medical team help her with her pain relief for metastatic cancer. Peyo and Hassan are her allies, she says. They come to me almost every day. They are part of my team. They are not only good for the patients, but for us too. When it is hard, we are happy to know they are here, says Anne Sophie, who's a nurse. Isaac, 9, is proud to show off his new friend Peyo to his mother, who is just coming out of surgery. Isaac has associated the hospital with Peyo. Today, he's happy to come to the hospital to see his mother. It is thanks to this horse, says his father Thomas. Peyo licks the hands of 64-year-old Roger, who has just returned for the day to palliative care unit for blood transfusion. Roger's happy to see his favorite doctor again. Tonight he's going to sleep well because he saw Peyo. As soon as he sees him, he sleeps like a baby, says his wife. Hassan and Peyo don't only provide comfort to patients, but to us too. In tough situations, we are happy to see them around, says Natalie, a nurse in the Palliative Care Center. Peyo has learned to indicate when he needs to go outside by moving his body from right to left. Peyo is happy to see his old friend Daniel, 67, a former equestrian who has terminal cancer. At home, as soon as we speak to Dad about Peyo, he cries. He has stars in his eyes, says his son Gerald. Hassan and Peyo enjoy time off on the beach in Calais after a hard day at the hospital. Peyo is my other half. He is my life partner. He is everything to me, says Hassan. What an amazing horse. Cooper Marcher here. Ciao.